Jojo, yeah, I know your name. Thought I saw you jump a Utah train, but I could not say, I could not say. Heard you tried to keep your hat on a shelf. Married a woman, went off and loved someone else, but could be as well. I cannot tell. Oh, no, I cannot tell. Jojo, don't you forget your name. I might try to keep you from the man you have been. So don't go that way. Don't go that way. Oh, 'cause the story I heard is the people I bore, and the measures you take to wrestle with your Lord. All the money you take, all the memories you spill. Will he measure your time? Will he measure your will? Oh, now. One of these mornings will be the loudest you hear. You'll write your story on firecrackers.